In this video, we will explain how to address poor communication in photovoltaic systems. If the EMA system's data interval exceeds 1 hour, or if the inverter frequently delays data from the previous frame, it can be concluded that the system's communication quality is poor. If the ECU is installed in a junction box or indoors, consider using an extended antenna and mounting it outdoors to reduce signal loss caused by walls and the metal junction box. Alternatively, move the ECU to the center of the array and install it in a waterproof box, which will improve communication by shortening the communication distance. Try to minimize interference from nearby wireless signals, such as avoiding areas close to base stations. If communication is still poor after these steps, please contact APsystems technical support.